Welcome to Wrong Time Watch. My name is Kevin. Today we have another watch unboxing. Had this one for a little bit. Just haven't had time to get to it yet. And this should be a watch from BOLDR. I believe it's Odyssey. New Odyssey maybe? I'm not really exactly sure until we get it open. And I do a little bit of research before the full presentation video. But pretty sure these are some new BOLDR watches. The BOLDR Venture Titanium is one of my favorite watches. It's super lightweight. Seiko movement in it, so it should last for a long time. Yeah, let's get this open. I don't think this pouch is included with the watch or anything. It's just kind of how he sends them out. Alright, so we have two watches in here. Yeah, it definitely it's definitely a BOLDR Odyssey. Crazy color on this watch here. Wow. Nice, is that turquoise blue or seafoam green? I think it's turquoise blue. And then I saw another one in here too. Yeah, cool. Orange. So very nice. Two nice looking watches. Very colorful as well. I think I prefer the orange. Looking at it by eye and looking at it on a camera through the screen here, it looks a little bit different shade of color, but I guess that's to be expected. Let me zoom in, get a little better look at these. I think that's all that's in here. See, I actually had these in before the MMI turret chronograph, but I wanted to get that video up as quick as I could because the Kickstarter is still active on that one, where I had just started when I received that watch. It's a little bit smaller too. The other Odysseys I've had have been huge, so good size. Nice depth to the dial there too. Kind of a metallic looking rehaut, but then the dial is just a plain color. It's not a metallic or a sunburst or anything. Oh, okay, so we have some texture to the dial as well, sand texture. All right, so it says Freediver. I kept saying, what was I saying? Odyssey. So this is the new Freediver. Very cool. All right, let's get the other one up here. So the case shape is very similar to the Odyssey. Odyssey Freediver 300 meter, color match date wheel there. Looks like it has an insert. It looks like a solid bezel at first, but there's a bezel insert there. So the lume pip on this one is white, but on the orange one it is orange. Oh, and then 0 to 20 is in orange as well. So yeah, looking forward to spending a little bit of time with these two watches. BOLDR Odyssey Freediver 300 meter, 1 out of 100, automatic, sapphire. So I don't know what movement is in these. I'm guessing it would be a Seiko NH35. Let's give this a little shake off camera here. Yeah, it looks like it's 6 beats per second. This one's 8. I don't think the sweep is as smooth as that. All right, let me get each of these on wrist, and then we'll close out the video. Put the Black Bay back on wrist, trying to spend a little bit of time with this watch. Still need to, actually I still need to video this one just by itself with my thoughts on this watch, and then also I have the Submariner, need to video that one by itself, and then I want to compare the two of these and get my thoughts on both of these. Just a matter of having enough time to do that. This feels like FKM rubber. It's got kind of a funny bend to it from being in that package, I think, but it should straighten out. Tropic rubber strap. Get in there. Not my first choice for colorway on a watch, but it's definitely a fun summer watch, and it's wintertime right now, so maybe add a little bit of warmth. That rehaut's a little bit different. It's got a flat on the top here, then it steps down. It's just an interesting way of doing it. All right, let's get the orange one on wrist. Orange is the best color after all. A little bit of effort to get this on wrist. Pull the keeper up. Or not. Come on. Close enough. Yeah, I think I like the orange one. All right, we'll zoom out here and then we'll close out the video. Definitely a fun watch. If you have not subscribed yet, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button, notification bell, and like the video if you've liked it. So yeah, definitely have some lume here. Hope you guys can see that. Oh, I like these with the Lumicast. I had an Odyssey in, I don't know, 6 months ago maybe with the Lumicast, and that had some crazy lume, and it looks real cool too. It's basically like 3-dimensional lume for the indices. These are just painted on here. Anyway, there's a kind of a preview of the lume. So it looks like we have a lumed bezel insert. And then, of course, the hands and indices are lumed as well. So, as always, thank you for taking the time. Thank you for watching. And I'll catch you on the next one.